What's up, YouTube? It's your homie Big Mike, man. We are back with yet another one, and today we actually going to take my OBS to my new house and take my Caprice that Mr. Ray messed up to another shop. Got somebody else working on it. Today we're gonna be riding with King Bray and OG Cool Car KJ. So lay around, man. Let us knock this thing out. Well, let us hook up this trailer. I'm trying to steal Corey trailer, so let us knock that out and and we'll see y'all in a minute. All right, man. Me and KJ made it down here for pick up my OBS. Cool Car KJ in the building.
What's up, Big Mike?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Mike.
Yeah, man. We're finna load this OBS onto the trailer because really, man, the only time I really have time to work on it is during the weekend. But when I'm at home chilling, man, when I get off work, I can knock a little small stuff out, man, and go ahead and try to get to my milestone where I'm trying to reach. So we'll go ahead and load this thing up, this trailer. Probably grabbing the doors and fenders too, convertible T down here. And grab the doors and fenders, load this thing up, and we'll check y'all back in a minute. Alright, man, we made it to my house. Got the truck here, and we're finna unload this thing, put it in my garage. The only thing I'm concerned about, I ain't too sure about the brakes.
Well, we can let it. Well,
I hate to have a drive-through house, so.
Well, we can keep it attached to the winch. Then I just winch the whole thing off slow.
Good deal.
The winch is in the back.
Good deal.
We'll take the ramps off, and then just winch it down, and you just turn the steering wheel. It's going downhill, so it's gonna want to go the whole way.
Cool.
And at the end, we'll just push it in.
All right, let us knock this out right quick, man. We'll get back with you. The OBS off, and now we're gonna work on the Caprice. Got the trailer at an angle because it is squatted.
Super squatted.
I'm gonna try to raise it up, man, but I'm running out of time, so.
Yeah, we got the trailer down, and the ramp is still kind of high.
Yeah.
Giving us a better angle, so we should be able to rock and roll right here.
All right, man, let's go knock it out. Man, let's get this thing loaded on this tram. See, none of my gauge is working. Radio don't come on, my top don't work. None of that, man. Shout out Ray Ray. truck down the hill. I just started sweating. You're gonna push the truck. It's pushing the truck. Let's try this again. Let's try it again. Oh, Corey might get me a heart attack. Tell y'all something, man. Corey about to give me a heart attack.
See if you can open the door without hitting it.
See what I'm saying? He about to give me a heart attack.
Is it open? I just want to see. See, you ain't maybe get out.
Let's see what we can do.
All right, now. All right, let's see what we finna do right here. Dukes of Hazzard, baby. Lord have mercy, I might have to put these down and give you a hand, huh? There you go. There you go, Mike. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Watch your mirror, Eureka.
You ever seen the deer come out the womb? Alright, man, we got out here in the Butch's Automotive and ran into a slight problem. Got here, battery dead, Quanta Dawn to the rescue. She'll help me out, so.
What it do?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Out here at Butch's Automotive, out here in Hull, Georgia. If you ever need anything done to your car, man, they can do it all. I mean, from engine work, suspension, they specialize in paint work. Butch's Automotive, man, they got you. I tell you, look them up. The number gonna be right there at the bottom, right?
Came to rescue Mike, y'all. Came to rescue him.
Quanta Dawn at it again.
Yeah, right.
The dancing diva. Hey.
Say hey.
All right, man. Let's get this car jumped off, unloaded. Head to Tremaine shop. Butch's Automotive. Unloaded. We get it knocked out. All right. All right, man, we got that car dropped off over at Butch's Automotive. Like I said, if you need anything done to your car, anything, it's almost like a one-stop shop. Butch's Automotive, make sure you hit them up. This is the end of this because it's been a long day. Shout out to Cool Car KJ, looked out for me.
We got some stuff accomplished though.
We definitely did. So, like, subscribe, comment below what y'all think about
all this shit.
Everything we did today. Well, it's been a long day. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's been a pretty long one. So make sure y'all subscribe to Cool Car KJ. Link in the description. That's it for this one, man. Y'all, peace out.